Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Runa. So today is Foundation Friday. Welcome back, welcome back. I know you love trying out new foundations. That's why you're here, because your girl loves trying out new foundations. And I'm so excited because Milk Makeup sent me their new foundation stick. And I was like, okay, Milk Makeup. You guys know I love Milk Makeup. If you go down below, I have the good and bad about Milk Makeup. I like low-key got obsessed with them for a second, and I love their products. There's some I love, there's some I don't love, but that's every brand. Every brand has their good and bad. I love stick foundations. They're a little bit easier for me, and because I have dry skin, they're creamy, they look nice. This is supposed to be a medium coverage foundation. I have seen a lot of people say really great things about this foundation, so I'm super excited to try out the Milk Makeup foundation. Maybe I should show you guys the foundation, right? So this is Milk Makeup foundations. This is their, it's all white so you can't really see it, but this is their, it just says milk on it. I'm gonna take it out. So this is the Milk Makeup Flex foundation. It's a stick foundation. This is a golden sand, and I looked on Sephora and that's what they said was my accurate color. This is a medium coverage. So it's a medium coverage natural finish foundation that covers, calms, and flexes without creasing or caking. It's for normal to dry combination and oily. It has marshmallow root extract that allows the formula to move with your face and never crease or cake, which is amazing. Blue Lotus moisturizer. I love Blue Lotus. I used to get the Blue Lotus oil from Clarins and I loved that oil, so that's really cool. Chamomile lavender helps calm and soothe skin, which is great because I have dry skin and I need anything that calms and soothes skin. I like that they don't have any like hyaluronic acid vibes going on right now, which is really cool. So let's go ahead and try this on. Hey guys, I'm gonna go in with my Milk Grip Primer. I've been using this a lot lately. I kind of like it, I kind of don't like it. I test out foundations a lot, so I'm always using this, and I feel like with some foundations this doesn't really work that well. So I feel like I gotta like maybe do like two different primers, like one primer here and one primer here type thing when I do my foundation videos. Let's go ahead. Ooh. Okay, so mine's melted a little bit. So this color looks like it'll be a little dark on me, but a little light on me, but we'll see. I'm putting quite a bit because I do like a medium to full coverage look. Say right away that it doesn't glide on really like smoothly, but I want to, oh, but it blends nice, but I want to say it doesn't glide on smooth because of the primer, because the primer is just so sticky. I feel like everything just sticks onto it, so could be that. So typically I always will use a brush with a foundation stick. I wouldn't use a beauty blender with it. I am all for using the brush. So Sephora matched me with this golden sand. I would probably go with golden honey. Golden honey is a little less ashy. I know I've said this already. I don't know if you guys heard me say it, but Milk Makeup sent me their foundations in PR. Thank you, Milk Makeup. I'm so grateful for any brand that sends me anything, but I personally think this would look better. This is golden honey, and I think this, yeah, this is definitely more of my color. Definitely golden honey is way better. So I would say that the Sephora foundation test quiz was not accurate. I really like this. So far the coverage is really nice, and the way that it dries down is also really nice. I'm really feeling the way it dries down. Very skin-like. I love it. Not cakey at all, you guys. It's actually super freaking smooth, which I love. I love a smooth foundation. The brush I'm using today is the Real Techniques Expert Face Brush. Okay, so I have been obsessed with this brush lately. I usually use my It Cosmetics Flawless Face Brush, which is amazing, and it's super my favorite, but the problem is that it has a really thick top part, and I like that this is tapered from the side. So if you see that, it's tapered, so it's easy to get my little small forehead, and it's easy to get this corner right here, and I just really love how soft this feels. This is literally a $10 foundation brush, and you can get it from Ulta. You can get it from Walmart, I think, too. And it's $9.99, and sometimes they even have buy one, get one half off. So you get like 2 of these for literally $7 each, which is great. And I feel like this is literally a solid foundation brush. I literally love this brush. So I'm going to go ahead and do one more layer of this foundation. Now this foundation does look good with just one layer. I'm actually impressed. This is actually a really nice medium coverage foundation. It's super impressive, but I still want to just go in. I'm just going to go in and add a little bit more coverage and see if it does get cakey, because it claims that the cakiness doesn't happen. And because the Flex Foundation by Milk Makeup is already medium coverage, I feel like I don't really need a beauty blender. I definitely need a brush because I want the full coverage potential, and a brush gives you that. Okay, so I literally love this. This is definitely a no makeup type of day. It's very, very good. I just feel like it's a little light. Like even those medium shades have a very like kind of a white undertone, like very yellow undertone, so it's very brightening, super bright. I hope it does warm up. I also think it's super easy to use. It glides on really good. There is really no cakey feeling. The only thing that I'm gonna say though is I feel like it doesn't really do any pore minimizing, but it didn't promise to do any pore minimizing. I do feel like this foundation is definitely a really, really good everyday foundation, so definitely something to check out. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the rest of my face, and then I'll be back and I'll tell you guys how I feel, what's my end result of this foundation, how's it been going, and I'll be back. So guys, this is the finished look right here. I went ahead and put on my whole face. So now my first impressions of this Milk Makeup foundation stick. I actually really like it. It's really easy to wear. It stays put. It's not melting off my face because it's really hot up in my room right now. It looks actually really good. It looks really good on selfies too. I will definitely share selfies with you guys. This is a selfie. Like, let me share the selfie. I'm gonna take a selfie later, but I need to share a selfie with you guys. It's selfie approved. It looks really, really good. I am going to wear this the rest of the day and then I'll see how it performs. It does dry really fast. So when I was doing my blush, my bronzer, everything, it went on really, really nice and it dries really, really fast. Guys, so I am going to go to bed. I did not get a chance to check in the whole day on this foundation. But I've had this foundation on for like about 6-7 hours already. And look at how good this foundation looks. It looks really good. Only thing that I would say is I did get a lot of like a little bit of separation over here in this area, but as you guys know, this is like my common area where I do have a lot of like separation happening. I think it's because I wipe my face a lot. I'm always wiping my lips down. I did just eat. Another thing is I like that it didn't get super gunky all over my face. It doesn't look super heavy. It actually looks nice and just smooth. Love how you can see my skin through this. Like, it's kind of like a medium coverage where you can see the skin and it's still like full coverage type of thing. I don't know if you guys get what I'm saying. I mean, definitely you can tell I got makeup on, right? But I just like that look. My skin looks very skin-like. It looks like second skin type of thing, right? So I really, really like that. This is a very, I was shocked that I was gonna like this. I know there's like other foundation sticks. So my other foundation stick that I really love is the Hourglass. This is Hourglass foundation stick is full coverage. Like, that is full coverage. This is not full coverage. This is medium coverage. Even after I built it, it was still very second skin like medium coverage. So if you're looking for super full coverage, then the Hourglass would probably be your best bet with stick foundation. But if you're looking for like just minimal, not super crazy coverage, then this Milk Makeup Flex Foundation is for you. I really, really like it. I'm gonna give this a 4 because it really did good for my dry skin. I didn't feel tight. It didn't feel anything. It's not slipping off, because at first I thought it was gonna slip off because it was really creamy. Like, I mean, it was intensely creamy, but it ended up sticking really, really well. And I'm thinking it's because of the primer that I wore. I wore the Hydro Grip primer. That makes all foundations stick really, really well. But the only thing is that whenever I wear my Hydro Grip foundation, it makes me a little bumpy in these areas. A little keen on wearing or like going through half of that primer grip foundation so I can actually tell you guys if I like it, because I'm still like, do I like this or not? Because sometimes it's great, sometimes it's not. But anyways, you guys, I am gonna go off to bed. I'm gonna wipe this makeup off. I'm gonna get some sleep. And I will see you guys in the next Foundation Friday. I hope you guys take the time to try this out. Oh, I'm going to give this a 4. I don't know if I said that, but I'm giving it a 4 because it is actually performing really good. And I think a 5 foundation will be the foundation that doesn't like break up over here for me in my problem areas. But I am giving it a 4 because like it looks really nice up here. Like I don't have crazy fine lines or anything like that. So anyways, you guys, I love you so much. I'll see you in the next one. And ciao. Bye.